Hi kids, today I'll teach you Environment Education, Book 2nd, Unit 8, Chapter number 28, Water and Air. आज अपन बच्चों सीखने वाले हैं वाटर, पानी यानी कि जल। पानी अपने लिए कितना महत्वपूर्ण है और हवा, एयर मतलब हवा, ये दोनों हमारे जीवन के लिए कितनी मददगार होती है। पानी के बिना और हवा के बिना हम नहीं रह सकते, इसकी जानकारी हमें इस बुक में दी है। दिस इज़ वेरी यूज़फुल इंफॉर्मेशन। वाटर एंड एयर, ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। आज हम इसके बारे में जानकारी लेना स्टार्ट करते हैं। टू बी कंटिन्यू। वाटर is necessary for us to live. We get water from rain, rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, springs and seas. Rain is the main source of water. Let us understand the water cycle through 4 simple steps. The sun's heat evaporates. The water from the seas, rivers, lakes, oceans and plants. The water rises up in the air and the form of water vapor. The water vapor rises higher in the air and cools down. It condenses into water droplets, forming clouds in the sky. When too much water gets collected in the clouds, they get heavier and fall back to the earth in the form of rain. Rainwater seeps into the ground and flows back into water. Bodies like seas, rivers, oceans and lakes. This is called the water cycle. Rainwater flows down the mountains as streams and rivers. Rivers are also formed when the snow on some mountains melts. Small rivers join to form a big river. They flow down the mountains when the water flows down with great speed. Waterfalls are formed at some places. And this is the picture. On the plains, the rivers flow slowly and finally meet the sea river. Water is fresh and not salty. It can be used for drinking after it is filtered and boiled. Sometimes rainwater gets collected at one place. This is called a pond. Big ponds are called lakes. Rivers flow into seas and oceans, which are large water bodies. Oceans and seas have salty water. Rainwater also seeps into the ground and gets collected underground. This is called groundwater. This water can be used by digging wells. We can also draw water from the bore wells by using hand pumps. And this is the picture. Some rivers have water throughout the year. Canals are dug out along these rivers. Water flows through these canals into the distant fields. In cities and towns, water from lakes or rivers is supplied to the housing through pipelines. We get this water in our houses through the taps. The water we use for drinking and cooking. Pure. We can clean water by boiling it or by using a filter. We should always keep drinking water covered. We should not pollute water by throwing rubbish and dirty things into wells, tanks and rivers. Water is very useful to us. We should not waste water. Air. The earth is surrounded by air. We cannot see or touch air, but we can feel air when it moves. Moving air is called wind. Wind. We need air to live. Plants and animals too need air to live. Plants keep the air pure and clean. We should grow more plants and trees to keep the air clean. Clean air is good for our health. Remember, rain is the main source of water. We get water from rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, springs and seas. We should always drink clean and pure water. We should not pollute water. We should not waste water. Moving air is called wind. Clean air is good for our health. I hope you like this video, kids. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.